Solving systems algebraically, part 2. So now we're going to look at two systems which are both parabolas, so they're quadratics. If you look at the diagrams, these are supposed to be on top of each other, like on your sheet. These ones will have infinite solutions because it's the exact same parabola. This one will have one solution, two solutions, and no solutions. So unlike the lines and the lines in the quadratics, you can do all options, 0, 1, 2, and infinite with two parabolas. So if we are to solve these two systems, we're going to do it the same method as before, but now we have two quadratics. So we're going to put this in for y. So we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to negative x squared plus 6x minus 7. Now we're going to move it all to the other side. So we're going to add x squared minus 6x and add 7. So we're left with 0 on the right side, 3x squared minus 13x plus 10. Now we factor two numbers that add up to negative 13 and multiply out to get 30. They should be negative 10 and negative 3. From here we substitute them in. 3x squared minus 3x minus 10x plus 10 equals 0. Split it into two groups. So we have 3x, x minus 1, minus 10, x minus 1. So our factored trinomial would be 3x minus 10 times x minus 1. This means that x minus 1 equals 0, or 3x, oops, that's right, minus 10 equals 0. So x equals 1, or x equals 10 over 3. So we're going to substitute that back in to y. So y equals 2 times 1 squared minus 7 times 1 plus 3. And you should get negative 2. So our point will be 1 and negative 2. And if we sub it in here, we should get y equals 2. Oh, I'm going to just erase this to get room. That would be the smartest. Y equals 2 times 10 over 3 squared minus 7 times 10 over 3 plus 3. Type this all into your calculator, use your ABC button, and you should get 17 over 9. So it will be 10 over 3 and 17 over 9. So for this one, we're going to substitute this in for this. So we have x plus 2 squared, so that's the same as putting x plus 2 times x plus 2. Sometimes it's easier to just write it like this so that you remember to FOIL out your work. X squared minus 4x minus 5. FOIL and distribute, so we have x squared plus 4x. 2x plus 2x plus 4 minus 1 minus x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0, because we want to move all of these over. Now we're going to simplify. So we have x squared minus x squared, so that cancels. We have 4x plus 4x, so we have 8x. Plus 4 minus 1 plus 5 is plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. Divide by 8. So x is equal to negative 1. So we're going to sub that in. And notice we only have one term, one x term. That means that there's one solution. And the reason is because at this step our x squared canceled. So we no longer have two answers. We only have one. So we're going to plug in y equals negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 1 minus 5. And if you type this all in, 1 squared is 1, plus 4 minus 5 is 0. So our point is negative 1 and 0. And of course, to test it, you would substitute it back in. This works. So that is solved.